Good morning, my dear children. Today our topic is onomatopoeia. Some of you might have heard this word before, and for others, this may be a new word. Let's see, what is onomatopoeia? Onomatopoeia is a word or a group of words that imitates the sound it represents. You can simply remember onomatopoeia as sound words. We can find onomatopoeia in poems, comics, and videos. Let's look at some examples of onomatopoeia. Look at the first sentence. The flood water gushed through the town. Here, gushed is the onomatopoeia and it represents the sound that water makes. Look at the second sentence. The owl hooted in the tree. In this sentence, the word hooted represents the sound that the owl makes. In the same way, look at the third sentence. At night, the wind was howling in the darkness. Howling represents the sound of the wind. My teeth chattered as I stood in the snow. Chattered represents the sound that teeth made. Next sentence. The corn went pop in the microwave. Here the word pop represents the sound of corn. The leaves crunched under my feet as I walked through the woods. Here the word crunched represents the sound that leaves made. Last one. The car horn beeped loudly. Here the word beeped represents the sound of the horn. So these words, the highlighted words, are called onomatopoeia. Look at this poem. Water plops into pond, splish splash downhill, wobbling magpies in trees, trilling melodic thrill, whoosh passing breeze, flags flutter and flap, frogs croaks, bird whistles, babbling bubbles from tap. Now try to identify the onomatopoeia used in this poem. Right. Let's see how many words you have found. Plops, splish splash, wobbling, trilling, whoosh, flutter, flap, croaks, whistles, and babbling are the onomatopoeia used in this poem. Now I think you have understood what are onomatopoeia, right? They are sound words. Let's look at this. Here you have some examples of onomatopoeia. For example, water sounds. The sounds made by water. Splash, spray, sprinkle, drip, drizzle, dribble. These words can be taken as water sounds. Then air sounds. Flutter, swish, swoosh, whiff, whoosh, and whisper. Next are voices. The voices, the sounds that we make when talking. Giggle, growl, grunt, murmur, mumble, and chatter. Next, you can find collision sounds. Bang, clang, clank, bam, slap, clap. And finally you have animal sounds. Bar, bark, chirp, cluck, hiss, meow, moo, neigh, and oink. Right. These are some of the examples of onomatopoeia, and now you can try to do the activities in your textbook, and after that you have to do page 80 in the junior English book. Right. Thank you and God bless you all.